This is our practice question. Before we get into it, my sincere plea is that please subscribe, follow, like, share and comment so that we can grow. Question yedu iri kuti if M is equal to that 2 by 2 matrix and N is equal to that 2 by 2 matrix, find the matrix products of M times N, then B, N times M, and finally C, M squared. Saka C is going to be new because from our previous lessons tanga tisina kumboita ma powers ma matrices. But before we go anywhere, I want to remind you kuti we have learned that Mn is not equal to Nm. So this is just a reminder. Answer yatichawana pana Mn inofanirwa kunge yakasiyana kune answer yatinowana pana Nm. Saka ma matrices apa ndo pari kusiyana nema contemporary numbers. Ma numbers are ordinary. We know that there is an interchangeability nature to multiplication. Kureva kuti A times B is equal to B times A. But kuma matrix, it does not work like that. So let us look at A, M, N. What we have to consider panapa is, we said, when we are multiplying matrices, tinenge tichiti row by column, cannot row times column. But ma rows tukumatora from our first matrix, dokwatotora ma rows, then ma columns tukumatora from our second matrix. Kwatinotora ma rows, we have to count the number of columns. Then kwatinotora ma columns, we count the number of rows. The number of columns from the first matrix should be the same as the number of rows from the second matrix kuti tikwanise kumultiply ma matrices. Saka pano manje, what are we saying? M ndiani ndi minus 2, 4, 3, 5. Like that. Multiplying ko N ndiani ndi 6 minus 1, 0, 2. Like that. Tikatasa matrix edu yokutanga tine ma columns mangani 1, 2. Totarisa matrix edu inoi tine ma rows mangani 1, 2. Saka because the number of columns in the first matrix yafanana ni the number of rows in the second matrix, we are good to go. We have also learned kuti we can predetermine the order of the product. How do we do that? Matrix edu yokutanga, it's a square matrix. It's a 2 by 2 matrix multiplying a 2 by 2 matrix. What it means is, answer yatofunga kuwana panapa should be a 2 by 2 matrix. So let us go with our calculation and see what becomes of it. So here it's equal to, as we have dramatized, ndinotokurudzirai kuisa arrow inoi row by column like this. Ma arrows ayanokuuchidzai kuti zvichafamba sei. Saka tichadaiso tichati minus 2 multiplying 6 like that plus 4 inoi multiplying minus 1 like that. Saka minus 2 multiply 6, 4 multiply minus 1. Then using this row takuno shandisa this column. Kurauti yavachi minus 2 multiplying 0 plus 4 multiplying 2. Like that. Then tapedza need this row takuenda pasasi. 3 multiplying 6 plus 5 multiplying minus 1. Then pa column inoi 3 multiplying 0 plus 5 multiplying 2. Like that one. So this is going to be equal to what? Saka kana musina kuunderstanda panapa, because I'm feeling kuti ndapamhanya. Kana musina kunyatsopaunderstanda, we have other lessons which we have taught, especially the lesson we taught the multiplication of matrices, the general multiplication of matrices. You learn in depth kuti taita sei. But in essence, basically, it's just row by column. So kana takuita panapa, it's going to be minus 12 minus 4. Minus 12 minus 4, then apa it's 6 12 18 minus 5. Panapa it's 0 plus 8. Then up it's also 0 plus 10. And this is equal to what? This is equal to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, minus 16, 8 apple. Then panapa is 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct, it's 13 apple 10. This is our final answer. So just to prove this, let us do NM. And we already know kuti haifanani na MN. So kana takuda kuita B tinoda kumultiplier NM. Saka N ndiani? N ndi 6 minus 1, 0, 2. And M ndiani? Ndi minus 2, 3, 4, 5. They are both 2 by 2 square matrices. Wrote the number of columns in the first matrix is of the same number as those of rows, as that of rows in the next matrix. So what will become of this? Row by column, row by column. Saka tikuti panapa 6 multiplying minus 2 plus 0 multiplying 3. Then takwenda column inoi 6 multiplying 4 plus 0 multiplying 5. Then panapa takuti minus 1 multiplying minus 2 plus 2 multiplying 3. And takuti minus 1 multiplying 4 plus 2 multiplying 5. Like that. And this will be equal to what? 6 times minus 20 minus 12 plus 0 from 0 times 3. Then panapa it's 2 plus 6. Apple 6 12 18. 6 12 18. 24. So it's 24 plus 0 panapa. Then minus 1 times 4, that's minus 4 plus 10. Like that. This is equal to minus 12 apple, 6, 7, 8, 24 apple, then apple is 6, minus 4 plus 10. Zvakafanana nokuti 10 minus 4. So kana imimi muchida munogona ku rearrange panapa kureva kuti pamunosvika pa this stage munogona kuzowedzera stage inoi yekungoti 0 minus 12 apo inoramba iri 2 plus 6 apo iramba iri 24 plus 0 apo muzongoti 10 minus 4. Then mabva muzonanga apa. You are allowed. Remember takati there are no marks for bravery. And we don't have extra credit for bravery. Saka mushonga ndowekuti do anything that gets you marks. And like what Curtis Jackson said, 50 Cent, not too many. That is his alias, stage name. There's a saying from 50 Cent, get rich or die trying. You understand? Saka the goal pa methods that we is get the marks. But if you fail to get the marks, die trying to get the marks. Saka you really have to be extra careful. Kana paine chinhu chamufanga kuavoida to the death. Avoid arithmetic errors. Musaita ma mistakes ekumultiply, kuadd, kusubtract kana kudivide. Azvitarisirwe kumunhu anodzidzisa maths. kuita mistakes akadaro onga ariko, but ngatova mistakes anoitaitika once in a blue moon. Maanzwisisa. Saka panapa, as you can see, tikada kukombea ma-answers apa. Answer yatawana from MN d-16, 13, 8, 10. Answer yatawana from NM d-12, 8, 24, 6. Chakangofanana panapa, it's the order, which is a 2 by 2 square matrix. Dokufanana kwega kuripo. Okay, let us go kwekupedzisira. Our question went on to ask m squared. So ngatitei m squared. Saka m ndiani? M ndi minus 2, 3, 4, 5 and that is minus 2, 3, 4, 5. Ndiyo m. Saka tikuti m is equal to this. But isusu tiri kuda ku calculator m squared. Saka m squared ingeri equal to chi. Ingeri equal to minus 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 2, 3, 4, 5. Dogut m squared. A multiplying itself. Kureva kuti it's minus 2, 3, 4, 5 times minus 2, 3, 4, 5. So chibva pano ma arrows edu row by column like that. Saka in your examination munozvita nepenzo izvi, just to remind yourself. So this is equal to, it's minus 2 multiplying minus 2 plus 4 multiplying 3, and then we have minus 2 multiplying 4 plus 4 multiplying 5, like this. Then 3 multiplying minus 2 plus 5 multiplying 3, and 3 multiplying 4 plus 5 multiplying 5. So kana mazvijaira muchapisira makwanisa kuzviita fast nekungotarisa. Saka minus 2 multiply minus 2, 4 each multiply 3, okay. Minus 3 multiply 4, 4 each multiply 5, okay. 3 multiply minus 2 and 5 multiply 3, okay. And 3 multiply 4 and 5 multiply 5, okay. Mema to confirm out my touch f. So this is now equal to minus 2 times minus 2 and 4 plus 4, 8 to koruf panapa. Then up it's minus 6 plus 15. Then up it's minus 8 plus 20. Then up it's 12 plus 25. And making sure to multiply is really correct. Correct, our final answer there is going to be what? 4 plus 12, 16. Minus 6 plus 15, 9. Then minus 8 plus 20, this is 12. 12 plus 25, 5, 6, 7, 37. Data chapters were up. 4 no 5, 6, correct. Then panapa it's 15 minus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then chitoverenga zvikumwe zvinotoitwa chero maguita midzi at PhD level. Azvinyadzise. 8, 9, 10, correct. Then up of course 5, 6, 7 and 3, correct. This is our final answer. Saka task yenyu zvakare lesson rakazara a litany of tasks. Task yenyu ndeyekuti nditsvagirewo n squared. N squared. Mutiudze kuti inofamba sei. Maanswers amunenge mawana munouya nawo kuma comments, munouya nawo on my direct lines. So before we conclude this lesson, we have said everything we wanted to say. Just to reiterate, mn as equal to nm. It's row by column. Ma rows edu tunomatora from the first matrix, ma columns from the second. and this is a way of predetermining the order of the product, kureva order yeanswer yedu. Kana muine ma questions kuma comments kana kuti on my direct numbers.